Okay, here's my video review for September 2nd, Wednesday. Didn't do much today at all. Um, there was some good action early in the morning on a few stocks. Um, one of them was one of my swings here, EDAP. So I added another third of my position here, right around 450 on this breakout. It ran some more and then it pulled back. Very light volume on the pullback. Um, a couple of chunks here down, and then came off its lows to finish the day slightly. Well, there's a little print up here saying 439, but really finished about 10 cents in the green. I listened to their conference call today, and everything seems pretty good. Their earnings were really good, and they have a device, and they're searching for a partnership to market and sell it in the United States, which just got FDA clearance. It's a ultrasound unit that dissolves kidney stones, from what I understand. So, here's the daily on it, and had that big news on the FDA clearance, and then it had its earnings, and it's been consolidating. Shares are trading hands. Came down to 340 or so, and then it's come back up and it's held its ground. So we're looking to clear this flag here and get moving all up into the $6, $7, $8, $9 range if it's a runner. Hopefully that will happen. We'll see. We'll have to let the price action tell us what the value of this stock is right now. I don't know for sure. It just seems like there's a good story and some good news. So that's really the only thing I did all day. I just added to that. I had a chance to take some gains near the top of this run. Is where it topped out yesterday. Actually, it was short of that by about 10 cents, 10 to 15 cents. And the tape the last few days has been kind of bad, so I guess I'll let them digest the news and the conference call. We'll see what the real price action will be coming shortly. Another one that we've been talking about that I haven't been trading, it's been holding up okay. It's SPPI. It had the last little run up here to about 8.90. That was about its peak, maybe almost $9. I don't know if I hit that in the pre-market. No. And it sold off yesterday along with the market, and then it came back, gapped up again this morning in pre-market, sold back down again. I'm starting to get a feeling that maybe this news a lot is kind of priced in here, so now maybe the risk reward might not be as good. If something comes out poor from the FDA, this way this thing can drop. We got some room to drop down here. So I'm actually staying away from it. I'm watching it, I'm curious, but I'm not trading it right now. Some other stocks are really interesting today. I actually saw this, so I was on it. I just chickened out. I had a chance to pick this up around 20. It was audio news came across my wires that SEPR was being purchased by, or a rumor that it was going to be purchased by a Japanese company. And I chickened out right here, and it just ripped. And then the stock's been halted. And I think there's a little more confirmation that the Japanese company is going to buy it for equivalent of $23.80 or something like that. So that would have been great to catch that, but I didn't. Hope you guys did. And this one's actually a little thin stock that has some volume today. This is a medicines company, MDCO. And it took off in the morning, lighter volume, and it increased and really hit a crescendo up here around 1060, pulled back, but held it most of its gains. On the daily, it filled most of this gap, and then it just tapped the 200-day moving average, and now pulled back. So that's actually a radar stock there. You want to keep that on your radar. I don't even know what the news is. I saw the action. I'll look at that tonight, and maybe this thing's got some more upside. That's it for me, really. Oh, here's one more. Sorry, TXT. It got it was a notable call. It had an upgrade yesterday, actually. So it got upgrade yesterday, gapped higher, and sold off with the market. Got upgrade again today, gapped, but actually held it and ran. So now this stock is actually breaking out. Let's go to a weekly. It's cleared a lot of resistance. Getting real close to clearing this little cup and handle formation here on a weekly chart. This is Textron, TXT. So it had good action today and kind of a benign tape. It sold down a little bit, tested a little bit of support, then was up and away most of the day. Had a nice $1.50. Oh, another one that we had here in the trading room we didn't take was pot. There was a lot of talk about people stepping in and buying. That's at 86, and the morning it just plummeted. And then, sure enough, buyers came in and took the stock all the way up, almost 5 points before selling off again. There's also rumors that IPI was going to be bought out, so that probably might have helped. And some other rumors that pot's actually a buyout candidate. Alright, so keep your eyes on those stocks. See you tomorrow.